Paging Dr. Dad, paging Dr. Dad, paging Dr. Dad, paging Dr. Dad, paging Dr. Dad.
Hello, Dr. Charissa. How you doing?
Good.
All right. Sweaty crop. Sweaty crop. So how you get?
How do you say it?
How you say it, Dr. Charissa?
Sorry,
Sweaty crop is how a female would say it.
Yes.
But dad is a man or a boy, so he say sweaty crop, right? Anyway, so how you guys been? How you been, Dr. Charissa?
Good.
Good. You guys
I
been good?
was sleeping with my mommy the whole time.
Sleeping with her mommy. You guys, we've been gone for a while.
I didn't want to go to school.
Yeah, because she's back in school and she has a little brother, so I've been taking care of little Giovanni,
brother,
right?
Because
Yeah.
he's so cute.
He's so cute.
It's much better.
So, we are making a thermometer out of 3 ingredients, or should we say 4? I don't know, food coloring. Yeah, food coloring, so it's 4. I guess we're gonna use water,
Yeah.
rubbing alcohol,
And Play-Doh.
Play-Doh, and food coloring.
Yes.
So I guess we could say 5 because we're using a bottle.
Bruh.
Yeah, all right. So the reason why we use rubbing alcohol, Dr. Charissa, is because it does not boil as hot as water.
You could
I mean,
actually
as
put
quick
a-
as water. I said that
Dad,
wrong.
you could
So-
actually put a balloon and do hot water and cold water.
That's our last trick. We're gonna do that project later. She was about to tell you guys our new project we're doing. So, with these 2 ingredients, the reason why we use water and alcohol is because alcohol does not boil as quick as water.
Why?
So, Dr. Charissa, we're gonna do even portions of rubbing
Daddy, I
alcohol
wanna put
and
my
water.
Play-Doh in.
Okay? You can put your Play-Doh in there.
Okay.
Well, your
Mommy?
Play-Doh is going to actually, and we also using a lighter, so make sure you have an adult around. All right, so Dr. Charissa, so what we're going to do is, no, your Play-Doh won't go, your Play-Doh will go in the bottle. I'll show you where your Play-Doh goes in a second, okay?
In the bottle? How
Yes,
can
we'll
you
go in the
do that? I could do that by myself.
Why?
Because I could do it.
So we're going to do equal portion amounts of water
Bruh,
and
how
alcohol.
can you jump that out?
You see. So we're going to, I'm
Wow,
only
that's a
dumping
lot
this
of
so I
water.
can measure. I didn't feel like measuring prior to this, because just
I
want to
could
see.
actually make a ball. Dad, let me check.
So this extra bottle is just in case if we mess up.
For the Play-Doh, for my Play-Doh.
Yeah. And you don't want to fill the bottle up all the way to the top.
Yeah, because it will definitely spill everywhere.
Yeah. So this is
And
a
it will
brand new
spill on my
bottle of
face
rubbing
and my
alcohol.
shirt.
Yeah? Why?
Because
Be
I want-
careful with rubbing alcohol, and we're using flames at the same time, so try to keep it separate.
Yeah,
Right, Dr.
because
Jessa?
you be careful, Dad.
Yep.
Dad,
We're just gonna-
what happened to it? What happened to the water?
The water's still here, so what's going on right now is we're actually, it's very strong, eh? So right now what we're doing now is we're trying to actually,
Dad, that smells like sanitizer.
yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. So what we're doing
Let me
right now,
smell
Doctor,
it. Let
you
me
want to smell it? Yeah, it smells like hand sanitizer.
Achoo!
Aye. So the reason why we're putting this in a bottle, Dr. Charissa, is to show measurements
Let me smell
using
it.
items that gives off kinetic energy to change temperature. You get what I'm trying to say?
No.
No.
I didn't
So hot water gives off.
Achoo!
Aye. So, anywho, so as you guys can see what we did, we just added the rubbing alcohol to the water. And
That
Dr. Charissa,
smells
would you like
bad.
to add your red food coloring
Yes, please.
to this?
Yeah.
No, not there.
Not
Here.
there.
Here.
Okay.
Don't get it on your shirt. There we go. All right, that's enough.
Wow, that's awesome. That looks beautiful.
All right.
Daddy, what are we gonna mix it with?
So the reason why we did this is because we're going to give off a color,
Now,
a
what
color
are we gonna mix
in
it?
the straw. No, you don't have to mix it. It's going to mix itself. Well, I'll eventually shake it up, but it's going to give off a color to show the ranges of temperature.
Dad, you could actually mix it
Yep,
with this
surely
thing.
can. Surely can.
I wanna
But
shake it.
we're not done here yet, Dr. Charissa. So We're gonna mix that up, right?
Dude, that looks awesome.
Yep, we're gonna mix that up.
Let me twist this out.
There's also 2 ways you can do this, but we're gonna stick with this way right now.
And don't forget to do this with your daddies.
Yeah, I wasn't supposed to do this because I just remember it has alcohol in it. So please do reverse way, in which I just did.
That smells like sanitizer.
Yep, it surely does. So I'm gonna use this lighter.
Daddy, don't! I never seen that before.
I'm gonna use this lighter. All right, so
see,
we're
let
going
me
to
see, let
burn
me
a little
see.
hole. Huh? You wanna see? I wanna keep it away from your face. I wanna keep it away from your face. So we're just gonna get this hot enough to burn a little hole big enough for a straw to fit through.
Oh, yeah, right. I actually saw that on my TV.
You saw it on your TV?
Yeah.
There's other ways you can do this to make it much more safe.
I saw
As of right now, we're doing it this way right now.
Oh, man, how did you do that?
Yeah.
Was that magic?
Magic. Magic. Well,
Now
I'm
put
gonna
it
do it the
on
safe
there.
way. I'm gonna do it the safe way.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, so we're gonna use the candle instead.
Let me see.
The lighter, I guess I'm not too good with it. So I'm gonna use the candle, which is much
Dad.
safer a little bit. Because all I have to do is just put it right here. Get it hot. Then I'm gonna poke a hole big enough for the straw to go through.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah.
How can you do that?
Mhm.
That is not actually going.
Or you can cut a hole, whichever way you want to do it. We're
I
just
don't
burning it
even
because
know.
we're outside.
Yes, because we're outside because there's so many cars outside.
A lot of cars.
Yeah, there are cars outside right here. It's right there in the middle,
All right.
right next to our house.
Whatever Dr. Drissa says goes, I guess.
Yeah.
Don't do that. That's not nice, Dr.
Okay.
Drissa. So you want to talk to your friends?
No,
No? You don't want to talk to no one?
nobody.
Ay, ay, ay. All right, you guys.
Just need to make some Play-Doh.
So I'm just making a hole.
Dad, why are you doing that?
Because
Daddy,
I'm making a hole.
how did you do that? Dad, let me see. That looks like fire. Let me see.
So I'm just trying to make a hole big enough so we can fit the straw through. And what we're going to do with the Play-Doh is we're going to actually... Why is she laughing? What we're going to do with the Play-Doh is we're going to actually
Put it in the
clog the
bottle.
holes. Oh, we're going to clog the hole to make sure that the only air that's getting out of this bottle is coming up the straw so we can actually show a reading of the temperature. Sounds good?
No,
It don't sound good.
nope.
Ay, ay, ay. The rest is in the trash. I don't feel like going in the trash.
Going in the trash.
Yeah.
You don't feel like going in the trash can?
No.
Okay. Be careful until you hurt your nails.
Now you just get your regular straw, clear straw. You want to have a clear straw. Dr. Drissa, you want to hold this?
Okay.
And I'm going to open up the straws.
Dad, looks like it fires. Like fire.
Yeah, looks like fire. We've got a regular clear straw. One thing about the straw, when you put it on here, is you don't want it to touch the bottom of the bottle. Now, Dr. Drissa, so what you want to do is, you want to put Play-Doh around this to avoid it having any holes or any ears being able to get out of it, okay?
Okay.
All right?
Daddy.
So, while she's doing that, had to use a little candle to get the hole in there. But right now, what she's doing right now is she's trying to close up the hole to avoid any air getting out so we can actually get a good reading on the thermometer.
Yeah.
Sounds good. So you can use Play-Doh, silly putty. What else do they have?
I don't know.
Clay,
Yeah.
molten clay, I think. Anything that actually sticks and holds it form once it's actually in a position.
You're welcome, Daddy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you, Dr. Drissa, for your help, your support, and all that you do
And I always help my daddy.
Yep.
And I always clean up with my daddy.
Yep.
And I always watch TV.
Yeah, definitely.
And I want to watch TV.
Yep.
Daddy, what's that thing for?
All right, so we're almost done with our. All right. So we're almost done with our thermometer. We're almost done.
Dad.
Just not fully yet. Now, so you can actually, Dr. Jarissa, you can actually do multiple things to actually. So you can do a lot of things to show the degrees on your homemade thermometer, Dr. Jarissa. I see. Yeah. So you can use boiling water.
Yeah.
And cold water.
Yes.
Boiling water usually boils at 110 to 12 degrees
Sanitizer.
Fahrenheit. Or you can use cold ice water, which usually gets cold at 32 degrees.
And I
So
have
we
new
have-
socks.
She have new socks. So what we have now is we have
I have blue socks.
boiling water right here. Well, hot water right here. And we're going to use cold, almost room temperature
Now,
water.
what is cold water?
It was cold, but Dr. Jarissa tried to eat the ice, so it might not be as
I
cold.
didn't eat it. I just licked it.
Yeah. So you can actually calibrate this thermometer. You know that, Dr. Jarissa?
Wow.
The way how you calibrate a thermometer is always in cold water. You understand?
No.
Yeah? So
Yeah.
cold water is normally at 32 degrees.
No.
A setting cold water.
How did you
Yeah.
say that?
Yeah.
How?
Now freezing water can be different. But cold water usually sets at
I
32
could have
degrees.
actually used water.
So, Dr. Jarissa, as you see, can you guys see? Eventually, what's going to happen is this red mercury thermometer.
I just saw it already.
So we're going to use the boiling water first, okay? That sounds good? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Sounds
I'm going to
good.
pour this over here.
Why is there so many water
I
here?
don't know. I hope I have enough boiling water.
Oh, that's a lot of hot water. You know that. That sounds like coffee.
So with this, the temperature will rise. So you will see the red food coloring go up. See, there it is. Did you see it rise that quick?
Yeah.
So through time, if we let this sit,
Hello.
so if we let this sit for about 5 minutes, this red dye will eventually go up. You got it? Yeah. It might take a while, might not take a while. And you want to make sure that there's no ear getting out of here.
Yeah.
Did you see it rise a little bit? See? As you guys can see, the temperature
Just rise all the way
has it
up.
rising a little bit.
And then it rises.
It's going up and down.
And then
this
it
is hot
almost
water.
rise, and it
Right, Dr.
almost
Jarissa?
rise almost at the
Yeah.
top of the sky.
So now we're going to use cold water, Dr. Jarissa.
Ooh.
And we're going to see how it reacts to cold water. The bottle's hot too. So it's up here.
Alright.
As you can see, it's going to eventually keep dropping lower and lower and lower. So in this project, oh, it's already dropping quickly. Oh my gosh. You see it dropping quickly?
Oh my.
Can you guys see? It's dropping very quickly. So we had hot boiling water here, then we had cold water over here. And if you want to actually calibrate this as a thermometer, you can using cold water, Dr. Jarissa, and either room temperature water with the thermometer or any kind of temperature water with the thermometer, meaning if you use the thermometer and this says 100 degrees and you put this in here and you let it sit for like 5-10 minutes, if you want to calibrate this as a thermometer, that's the way how you do it, as well as for cold water, which normally sets at 32 degrees. You put it in a thermometer in there and make sure it's 32 degrees, Dr. Jarissa. And then you put this in there, and wherever the actual reading goes, you just mark it. All right? Thank you, guys. You want to tell your friends something?
No.
Hi, yeah.
Like, share, subscribe.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye. another video.